Good evening, everyone. Words are powerful motivators and can transform the history of a nation and bring transition in the perception and mindset of people. It is the proud privilege of Fairgaze to host the MUN conference to empower young delegates to pull their innovative ideas and collaborate fruitfully for multilateral negotiable to resolve issues concerning the world. I hope you have savored every each movement of the proceeding to the fullest.
Greetings to the honorable dignitaries of the day and all the precious delegates and EB members. Special thanks to Ms. Monika Shakti Ratanpat, Senior Principal of the IBY Global School, Bhopal, who was the chief guest in opening ceremony of East and Northeast Inter-School MBN 3.0 organized by Fairgaze. As we gather here today for the closing ceremony of the third edition of the Fairgaze MBN, I am filled with a sense of pride and accomplishment. Over the past 6 hours, we have witnessed passionate debates, fruitful negotiations, and the exchange of innovative ideas. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the delegates, chairs, and advisors for their unwavering dedication and invaluable contribution. Throughout this conference, we have delved into some of the most pressing issues of our time, from climate change to human rights, from peace and security to global health. You have shown immense wisdom, empathy, and determination. Your commitment to finding realistic and sustainable solutions has been truly inspiring. Well, with this conference, my journey at Fairgaze MUN ends here. And with this, Divya, Deputy Secretary General at Fairgaze MUN, is signing off and would like to declare the termination of the conference for 2024. But you need not to worry because Fairgaze MUN will be back with the same enthusiasm the very next month. Until then, we take your leave. Thank you so much everyone for your patience and support. Have a great evening ahead.
I will just directly move towards the results. So the best delegate for UNHRC goes to Delegate of India. Special mention goes to the Delegate of France, and the verbal mention goes to the Delegate of Australia. Congratulations all the delegates. Now I will come for the best position paper. It goes also to the Delegate of India. Congratulations all the delegates, and I appreciate each one of your hard work. Thank you so much.
Good evening. Pranav, the Vice Chair, wasn't able to join today, so I'll be announcing the results. First of all, congratulations to all the delegates who participated in this MUN. Your dedication towards global diplomacy and awareness is commendable. Congratulations once again. And the winners for UNSC committee are as follows. The best delegate is the second delegate of Israel, Shiv Chauhan. There's a verbal mention for the first delegate of the state of Israel, Akanksha. And the best position paper is from the delegate of the Commonwealth of Australia, Pratik. Thank you.
Awards. So it was a very productive committee, a lot of fruitful discussions, very competitive, I must say. So our winners for today, the best delegate goes to the delegate of Philippines. Please, delegate of Philippines. Okay, I believe is not in the, yes, he's in the committee. Next, the delegate, next we have verbal mention to the delegate of France. And then the best position paper, delegate of Afghanistan. Congratulations, delegates.
Good evening, everyone. This is Adya Kadam, the Vice Chair of PICOSOC. Our Chair, Harshita Ma'am, is not here. So I'll be announcing the winners. I must say it was really an engaging committee and it wasn't that easy to choose a winner. But the best delegate, and we just have one award. So the best delegate award goes to the delegate of Japan. I believe the delegate is not in the committee. But I must say the committee was really fruitful, and ECOSOC is a committee that's very relatable. So we did come up with solutions that are something to note. Noteworthy solutions, I must say. Thank you.
Anybody, if want to share their experience? about today's conference?
It was a nice and wonderful learning experience for me.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Anybody else? I
It
think
was an amazing event. I learned a lot,
Oh, wow. Thank
and
you.
it really polished my public speaking skills and the ability to speak diplomatically in such situations.
Ma'am, I learned a lot of new things. The chairs were very patient with us, even though we were just beginners. So
Nice. Thank you.